C. Nguyen, Director of Marketing for Duplo USA. Thank you for your interest in our products. From all-in-one slitting, cutting, creasing machines and perfect binders to sheet feeding and bucket making systems, Duplo continues to be a leader in digital color finishing. The product you're about to see is one of many solutions we offer to meet your needs. Please take a look.
Duplo's integrated folding system achieves the next level in digital print finishing automation. Standard folds such as half, letter, and Z are common and no longer profitable. With the integrated folding system, you can cost-effectively fold innovative, custom pieces to differentiate yourself from the competition. The system incorporates a knife folder in line with Duplo's own DC645 slitter cutter creaser, creating a versatile 4-in-1 finishing solution that slits, cuts, creases, and folds digitally printed applications in a single pass using one system. By folding in line, the integrated folding system eliminates extra steps, such as measuring paper sizes and adjusting fold plates. It can also uniquely process multiple up pieces simultaneously in one pass, increasing its efficiency even more. The entire system is programmed using the control panel or Job Creator software. The Job Creator wizard guides the operator step by step, making it easy for anyone to set up a job. Select the fold style and easily customize an unlimited number of folds to suit your specific requirements without costing an extra cent. Once you press start, the sheets begin to feed from the 4-inch capacity feeder. The scanner reads the barcode printed on the sheet and recalls the job previously stored on memory. The scanner will also read the registration mark to adjust the image shift on the fly from sheet to sheet. After the slits, cuts, and creases are completed, the pieces are delivered into the knife folder. Using 2 folding blades and urethane-coated folding rollers, the integrated folding system accurately and consistently produces perfectly aligned folded pieces. The folding rollers are spring-loaded to automatically adjust when switching between paper thicknesses, increasing its ability to handle a wider range of paper stocks without any manual adjustments. The finished pieces are neatly stacked in the vertical stacker, which accommodates up to 4 times as many pieces than traditional shingle conveyors, adding to the true productivity of the system. The system is also JDF compliant, which further enhances the workflow automation. The finishing information is received electronically from the pre-press server before the job is printed, thus minimizing touch points and maximizing efficiency. With the integrated folding system, users can customize an array of applications such as invitations, greeting cards, brochures, and much more. In addition to the DC645, it can also be configured with the DC615 slitter cutter creaser and the DC445 creaser, and can carry on the capabilities of the integrated unit. Duplo's integrated folding system provides a multifunction and cost-effective solution for your digital finishing needs.
I hope you found this presentation useful. For a free in-person demonstration, please contact Duplo at 1-800-255-1933 or visit us at duplousa.com for more information. Thank you for watching.